Alright. Yeah, things are kind of filling up in here, huh? Little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, so that's, I guess, a good thing, right? Yeah, for people who don't understand, you think I just like play with flowers. I am actually working my ass off 24/7, creating things that work, but you know, keep going to Amazon and Walmart, see how that's working out for you. Things that you can't even compare. Like, you can't even compare these herbs or anything to, or these tea, you absolutely can't, because nobody does what I do, and it's not bragging, it's just absolute reality. Do you know anyone that literally picks each flower one by one and says thank you? And even if that's all I can harvest in a day, that's what I do. You know? I'm always keeping these full. I mean, I don't need to talk about blah, blah, blah. It's pretty easy to see, though. If it can cure your cancer in 3 to 30 days, then I'd say you're pretty stupid for doing the same things that you've been doing and ignoring people like me that this is their entire life. Like, literally, this is my everything about me and my life is medicine, is making things better for people who don't care, which I'm actually getting kind of tired of that. I'm definitely learning to not care for people who don't care for themselves. Not my problem. Yeah. Or the people that think, oh, well, I should be free. Really? So, $300,000 investment, working my ass off every day, sweating my eyeballs, morning till night. And you got money for cigarettes and everything else, but you don't have $5 for an herb or essential oil made by a local that you continue to take her time, right? And ask for advice that you never take. Like, seriously? This isn't worth anything? Make it all free? Well, it's already free, and you don't care, right? So, I don't know. This is what dedication looks like. Don't be telling me that I can't grow anything. Oh, you're just privileged. You have a big... Really? So 6.5 years of homelessness and choosing... making priorities, you know? Putting my money in a can and living in a tent. But y'all are like, oh no, that's too much. I'm better than that. Well, if you're better than that, then keep doing what you're doing and don't be running to me. But somebody did this. All this got here somehow. How? How? Not by talking about it on Twitter and Facebook? Yeah, no. It got here because I made this a priority and chose to do this all day, every day. So, you know what? Pardon me if I don't have time for your bullshit anymore. Like, I actually work, except I don't get paid. You people sitting on your asses make more money than I do with all of this that I do all day, every day, for a bunch of people that don't even appreciate it, that want to tell me I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, how about if you suck it? Just suck it, suck it, suck it. Actually, don't even fucking touch me. Yeah, it didn't just happen. Okay, nobody's out here doing this for me. Like, oh, sweetheart. That's the sacred circle, my butters. This is where he was healed. This is so beautiful to see. Aww. Anyways, okay. Yeah, so blah.